Today I will be showing you how to draw isometrics in AutoCAD. We will be drawing this object right here. First thing you're going to want to do is open up your slightly finished document presentation here. First thing you're going to want to do is go to Grid, right click, go to Settings, and if you don't already have an isometric snap, you're going to want to click on that and press OK. Now first things first, we're going to want to go to the line command. Just go ahead and click anywhere and make sure your ortho is on so that you draw straight lines. And you want to come down like this first. We'll start with, as it shows right here, that it's 1.5 down. We're going to put in 1.5 and the numbers down in the box right here. Press enter. Alright, got that finished. Now again, now it says it wants to go over 2.25 as it says right here. So we put in 2.25 down in the box, press enter. And you press 1.5 again, go up. Now if you don't have O snap on, you're going to want to turn that on so you can snap right to the quadrant there. Now you're going to want to repeat line. And see, I want to go back this way, but it won't let me. So what you do is you press F5 and you can go in different angles. Now it says it's 1.31 as it says right here. So we will go back 1.31. Press enter. Back over 2.25. And O snap down. Repeat line. You want to come back down again, so just press F5. You go down 1.5. Press enter. O snap to the quadrant. Now all we got to do is draw some circles. Now normally you'd want to use the circle command, but since we are drawing an isometric, we want to use ellipse. Now go down to the box down below, type in ISO so you can do an ISO circle. Press enter. Now it says specify center of ISO circle. Now you want to snap to the midpoint of this line. If you don't have that on, go to O snap, go to settings, and you're going to want center, midpoint, endpoint, and quadrant on. So just make sure those are checked. You don't need any other ones. Press OK. Go to the midpoint. Now if you notice it's going the wrong way. Now just press F5 again and you've got yourself a good isocircle there. Snap to the endpoint. You're going to want to repeat the ellipse so you can draw another one. Type in ISO again on the bottom. Press enter. Snap to the midpoint. Go there. Now you're going to want to do one more time. ISO, because you want to put one in the center here as well. But you want it to be a diameter of 1.5. So you want a diameter, which means you got to go down to the box down here. You want to type in D for diameter. Press enter, and now you type in 1.5 down in the box, and that'll work just fine. Now, you see we have well, first off, if you can't see very well, so I'm going to press the pan, and you can go over this way, escape out of that. Now you've got a bunch of lines you don't need. Click the ones you don't need, just delete them. Now, you got all these circles in the way still, so you're going to want to go to trim. Now first things first, you're going to want to click the right hand on the mouse, or the right side, so you can trim more easily. You trim out that part because you don't need it, trim out that. You're going to want to keep trimming. And you're going to trim that, press enter. Now you're going to want to go to the line command one more time, and you want to go to this quadrant right here. And you lead that to this quadrant. Press enter. Now just one more thing. You're going to press trim again. Make sure you click to the right first. And you enter there. Press enter. And boom, you've got it good. Now if you want to make it look good, you highlight the whole thing. Go to scale. Click on the bottom. And you want to make it smaller. So we're going to do 0.5 so it's only half the size. And there we go. You got yourself a good isometric drawing.